Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my presentation. The Honorable Professor Dr. Mas Hadi Said MPD and all of my audience. My name is Santi Nurhayati. I am a master student of English Language Education at Indraprastha PGRI University. My student number are 202574790031. This video is created to fulfill the requirement for academic speaking final examination. The course academic speaking for scientific purpose, the title of my presentation is Fun and Engaging Teach EFL to Young Learners. At the end in this presentation, I hope all of my audience is understood how are the way teach to young learner. Okay, they are the outlines. The first is, what is the meaning of EFL? What are the way teaching EFL to young learners? And then, what are benefits? Last is conclusion. What is the meaning of EFL? EFL is the teaching and learning of English in countries where English is not the primary language used in daily life. Students usually learn English in school or language courses, but they have limited opportunities to use it outside the classroom. What are the way teaching EFL to young learner? The first is songs and chants. What is song? Songs are lyrical expression with a musical melody, and then chants are word or sound spoken in a strong, repeating rhythm with little to no musical tune. Song and chants help children improve their pronunciation, vocabulary, and listening skill. Next is games. What are games? Language games such as word matching, bingo, memory games, role playing encourage students to use English in relaxed atmosphere. Games motivate children to practice actively in learning process. Games also reduce anxiety and increase confidence in using the language. Next is total physical response or TPR. What is TPR? TPR is a teaching method where students respond to teacher instruction with physical movements. And then next is art and crafts. What are art and crafts? Drawing, coloring, cutting, and making simple projects allow children to practice English while expressing their creativity. For TPR, the example is teacher gives simple commands such as stand up and then touch your nose or jumps for 3 times and students respond performing the action. This method is especially effective for young learners because it keeps active and engaged. Next is storytelling. What is storytelling? Storytelling is the interactive art of using words, action, or creative media to convey a narrative, share values, and engage an audience emotionally. Storytelling is an excellent way to introduce new vocabulary and sentence patterns. By listening to interesting stories, children develop their imagination, listening comprehension, and speaking skills. Teacher can use picture books, puppets, or flashcards to make story more engaging. Next is use role play and drama. Role playing allows children to use English in real life situation. For example, is a student can pretend to be customer and giver, doctor and patient, and then teacher and student. This activity improves speaking skills. And the next is use technology and multimedia. Technology provides visual and audio support, helping children understand and remember new language more effectively. Technology and multimedia such as educational videos, animation cartoons, interactive application, and digital games make English lesson more interesting. The last is encourage group and fair work. Working with classmates help children practice communication skills in a supportive environment. Pair and group activities encourage cooperation, problem solving, and the use of English for meaningful interaction. What are the benefits? First is increase student motivation to learn English. Next is improve vocabulary, pronunciation, listening, and speaking skills. And then create a positive and enjoyable learning environment. Next is encourage creativity, communication, and teamwork. And the last is reduce anxiety and builds learning confidence. Next is conclusion. Teaching EFL to young learners should focus on creating a fun, supportive, interactive learning environment. By using songs, games, storytelling, role play, art and craft, total physical response, technology, and collaborative activities, teacher can increase students' motivation and help them develop their English skill naturally and confidently. Okay, that's all my presentation. I hope you all understood how the way teach young learner. Maybe you can use games, role play, TPR, song and chants, and I hope you all to be a good teacher in the word, and I hope you all blessing by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.